In today's world, we face many challenges, from pollution and climate change to natural disasters like typhoons, earthquakes and floods. These problems affect not only the environment, but also our homes, schools and communities. That's why it's so important to talk about environmental awareness and disaster risk reduction and management, or DRRM. Environmental awareness means understanding how our actions affect the environment. It's about recognizing the problems like deforestation, waste pollution and global warming, and doing our part to protect nature. Simple acts like recycling, conserving water and planting trees can make a big difference. On the other hand, disaster risk reduction and management is all about being prepared. It involves knowing what to do before, during and after a disaster. Whether it's preparing an emergency kit, joining community drills or spreading information, DRRM helps save lives and reduce damage. Let's dive a little deeper into the issues we face. Plastic waste and pollution. Low awareness about proper waste segregation and recycling contributes to plastic pollution. This results in clogged drainage systems, marine life deaths, flooding and health risks. Did you know the Philippines contributes an estimated 0.75 million metric tons of plastic to the ocean annually? Deforestation and biodiversity loss. Lack of awareness about forest conservation leads to illegal logging and land conversion. This results in habitat destruction, extinction of native species, and contributes to climate change. Now let's talk about disaster risk reduction management issues. Poor coordination among agencies. Government departments often work in silos, causing delays and confusion during disaster response. Local communities are often excluded from planning, which weakens preparedness and response at the grassroots level. Limited community involvement. Local communities are often excluded from planning, which weakens preparedness and response at the grassroots level. So, how do these issues affect people, animals, and ecosystems? Environmental awareness encourages individuals and communities to adopt sustainable behaviors, engage in conservation, and support policies that reduce ecological footprints. This fosters healthier lifestyles, stronger social connections, and better decision-making. It helps protect wildlife by reducing harmful activities and supports biodiversity by preserving species and their ecological roles. For ecosystems, it promotes sustainable practices that maintain balance, restore habitats, reduce pollution, and preserve vital services like clean air and water, ensuring long-term ecosystem health. Disaster risk reduction management safeguards lives and property by reducing disaster impacts and enhancing community resilience. It empowers people to prepare and recover effectively while minimizing trauma and saving recovery costs. Integrating animal welfare prevents livestock losses and supports wildlife survival, maintaining key ecological functions. Ecosystem-based DRRM uses natural barriers like wetlands and forests to lower disaster risks, conserve biodiversity and sustain ecosystem services. Nature-based solutions offer sustainable, effective risk reduction compared to traditional engineering methods. The future of our planet and our safety lies in our hands. Every choice we make, every action we take can either harm or help the world we live in. Let's choose to care, let's choose to act, let's choose to protect both our environment and each other, because a prepared, informed and united community is a stronger one. Together we can face disasters with courage and build a greener, safer world for all. Be aware, be prepared, be the change.